Hello, my name is Sarah Loring. I will be teaching second grade, and I have created an interactive lesson on folktales. I have chose to use a Pear Deck so that my students can join the slideshow and be able to interact. So they will use this code right up here to join the Pear Deck with me. So folktales aligns with this standard, recount stories including fables and folktales from diverse culture and determine their central message. So first we will go over our learning objective. What is a folktale? How do we find the message in the story? So this is our end goal. The students will know exactly what we are going to learn. Okay, next we will go over what is a folktale. So if we just click on the link right here, it's going to take us to a...
Now, let's see if we can work a little magic with all this noise.
I can't believe that happened. It's so...
Today we will learn what.
Okay, so we will watch a YouTube video on what is a folktale together, and then we will discuss what we learned in the video. Okay, next we have an interactive slide. This is something I really like about Pear Deck. So the students can let me know exactly how they are doing. So if they are understanding, they will put their dot right here. If they're a little bit confused, then I'll know that. And if they need help, then I will know that I need to go back and explain things a little bit better. Okay, next is another interactive slide. So I just want to know if the students are familiar with any of these stories. So these images will relate to some folktales that they've probably read in the past. So they can just circle the image right on the slide to let me know. And I like to use the timer so they know they have a minute or so to give me their answer. Okay, next, I will let the students know that we will be reading The Ant and the Grasshopper together. So first we will do our prediction. I always like to do a prediction with the class so that just from the title and a picture, they can predict what they think is going to happen in the story. So they will click this link and it will bring us to a Padlet. So what do you think will happen in the story? They can click right here and they can type their answer, or they have the option to draw, which I really like for second graders. Okay, and then we will come back to our slides and click The Ant and the Grasshopper, and it will take us to our read aloud. So we will listen to The Ant and the Grasshopper together. So next we will do a mind map. This gives us a chance to discuss exactly what happened in the story. Students can type or draw right on this slide. Once again, I'm going to give them a timer. I can always give them more time if I think they need it. And they can just let me know right on the slide what was the problem in the story. Okay, next we will be doing a seesaw. Students are familiar with Seesaw as well as the other apps that we have been using in this slideshow. So they will just click right here to connect to their Seesaw account. And then add their response right here. So we will just read the story together. So just another review of The Ant and the Grasshopper. And then we will answer the questions together right here. So they can hit the text so they could type right on there. Okay, and then we will just discuss one more time what was the lesson or moral. And I just added a fun little meme right here. Last, we will do a Flipgrid. So this is just my assessment of the lesson in whole. Students will connect to their Flipgrid right from the slide and record their response. So they will be answering what lesson or moral did we learn from The Ant and the Grasshopper, which we just discussed together as a class. But I would like to hear from all the students. So for the students that were not comfortable sharing out, they get to record themselves answering the question, and I'll get to hear from them. They could do this in private. Okay, and then that is the end of my lesson. Thank you.